It's a time.
Who should I gather?
The dream team.
Must be serious then.
We will need the Polish.
They can notice all of the weak points from one look at the picture. Their background and loads and CD project read is surely useful.
Who else, boss?
The Lithuanians.
They are known for their sharpshooting skills. We need discretion and precision. They are snipers, and the weapon is a bow. Basketball.
We'll need some muscles.
For that, we have the best and the bravest, the Ukrainians.
Ukrainians are built different.
And last but not least, known for their great engineering, the Germans.
Known for their great mechanical inventions and amazing skills and drive safely and according to the rules. They won't stand out.
Tingeling, Bonbon Ausfurt, die ganze Nacht. Tingeling, Bonbon Ausfurt, riesengroß. Tingeling, Bonbon Ausfurt, ganz famos. Tingeling.
Diversity is at risk. Are you ready? Will aim has struck again. One of the most important assets of the WAMA Film Festival has been kidnapped. It is a huge risk to the diverse nature of this festival.
Hey! Tingeling. Und Schluss.
Disabling the lights. Prepare to go dark. O nie. Nie teraz. Dawaj. Oh, okay, we are back. Room 67.
was waiting for you. Did you know that diversity was always the problem? The life would be so much easier if we don't have it. Should have been destroyed sooner. Let's end this meeting. Vladimir, got them.
What took you so long?
You did a great job, as usual. Your diversity is what makes this team the dream team.
Bom, bom.
Prepare yourself. We need you for WAMA Film Festival 2026.